Hi guys, and welcome to today's video where I'll be analyzing the STND charts, which is the token for the standard protocol projects. So just a mere look at the charts, we've seen a lot of exciting price movement so far, and I'm just going to start my analysis by trying to figure out like the possible movements, pattern movement that have been formed. I'm just going to be looking from, let's say, 2023 down to what we have now. So I think first thing I can see here is I can see the cup and handle pattern, which I'm just going to draw, starting with this bullish flag, which we could see here. Let me just change the ink color. You can see a beautiful bullish trend there, and if I change it to maybe a shorter time frame, yeah, we can see that perfect here. Yeah, we can see that's perfect. So going back to my 1 day, let's just figure out like the overall movement so far. Apart from this thing, we could see a perfect cup being formed around here. So if we look here, we could see a perfect cup that starts the cup and handle pattern movement. This is a perfect cup being formed, and we could see its handle here. So yeah, really exciting, really nice, and it's quite obvious this pattern that was being formed here. And so let's just look for support zones and some resistance zones that were formed in this pattern. So if we look somewhere around here, yes, we could see like a lot of support resistance zones around here. Yeah, let me just draw my charts quick. Yeah, so I think that's a very decent support zone that was being formed there, where we saw a lot of like price bouncing here. We also saw like when price came here, we saw this this resistance, this resistance zone, which pushed price back to form the handle. And in the cup and handle pattern, when we're about to get the breakout, we'd always see the breakout first, and let me just try to spot that out perfectly. Where's my arrow? Yeah, so we always see a breakout first, then we see a retracement, then that comes to the resistance zone, which now turns into support, and we then see our spike in price. So that's like, it's a really exciting chart. This is just looking at it from a 1 day chart, and like we could see that price actually broke this resistance zone, which now turns into support, and we can see a very excellent price movement, even though definitely this is an imbalance. If we look at it from a lower time frame, because it's an imbalance, and currently price is trying to we are getting some corrections in price. So let's just go back to our 1 day chart and try to figure out possible resistance and support zones from around where price is. So price is somewhere around here, and if we can look at previous price movements, we see a very strong support zone here. So I'm just going to draw that and look into a shorter time frame and like what we could expect, and like the current movements over here where price is currently. So let me just go to the 4 hours time frame. Then we're also going to look at price in the 1 hour time frame. So looking at the 4 hour time frame, we could see we just by mere look, you could just observe a downtrend forming, which is more of like a correction. But let's just go to the 4 hours, the 1 hour time frame to see what's happening. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, we could see like a possible bullish flag where forming, where this is the flag and here is the downtrend that's always forming. Because so here we could see a perfect bullish flag which is forming. Yeah, so here's the upper part of the trend line and this is the down part. So from my price prediction, I see the price coming down. Like we've already seen it hit here, so we could see a possible breakout. Towards like the up parts, like a bullish breakout, or we could also see a possible like the correction still going downwards towards this part. So it's a really exciting chart, and like I look forward to seeing all that's happening, looking at looking at it on 4 hours. Like we could see the previous price movements, and like looking at what's happening now, we can also see like the recent price. And yeah, so I'm really looking forward to what's going to be happening on the STND token, and I advise that you check out the same. Thank you for watching now.